Hi viewers, I am Afsar Ali Khan from Dubai. The movie you are about to view is produced by an amateur producer named Yunus Khan Bangash, who is a friend of mine and living with me here in the bustling city of Dubai. He has set up a production house called Bangash Production Companies here in Dubai. This is his first ever funny kids movie. The kid in the movie named Nawabzada Shujaat Ali Khan Yusufzai is so smart and clever that he prefers to play with the pets of the household instead of the high-tech toys of today's modern age. After seeing this movie, please send us your feedback and comments, which is very important for us to improve our work next time. Thanks and goodbye.